Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the fitness center here at the 23 in Dallas, Texas, the fitness center. And you can see we're in kind of one section that has ellipticals, treadmills, and just kind of aerobic kind of things to work out to. Those are all just right here. You notice it's also looking out with some fantastic views of the city. You can see just the pool that's out there as well. We're pretty much surrounded by a little bit of Victory Park and downtown Dallas. So it's a really, really modern feel in here. There's also in here a weight area. This is a separate weight area. So it's pretty big. It's very massive. You can see it's got a lot of equipment in here. So you've got the Smith machine that's over here. You do have some dumbbells that are over here. You've got a really massive, it's called the motion cage. A lot of things you can do here, with this. And then you see some side machines over here that are meant for like lat pull downs, legs, arms, looks like a shoulder press that's over there. There's really quite a lot here. And then there's one more section. It just really is quite massive. I'm very impressed with this. So this is the studio. They call it the Move Studio, but this would be where you could do some bike work. This is an entirely enclosed studio, so you can have more kind of a private workout experience if you wanted to. It's all here. So this is what it looks like here. It's really cool. I'm very impressed. This is an A, maybe even an A+ gym that's in the high rise. You really don't need an outside fitness membership. This really does cover it all. Okay, so let's go explore a little bit more of this 8th floor. We're gonna do that right now. Let's go to the next video. If you have questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.